You reckon just a spear throw?
Yeah.
That sun's awful, isn't it? Oh. It's scarier when you put time into the model, isn't it? No worries. Right. Oh, look at that! I'm gonna have to go and stand out there a bit more, Eric. Not finding any lift here. I'm worried about swinging around because I can't get any altitude with it.
Yeah, come back and try to track along the fence here. You'll get a bit of lift. Track straight along the fence line. Come back, keep tight in, and you'll gradually work your way up. Keep tracking that sort of distance off the fence. Don't go too far that way. Yeah.
Right.
Gradually work it up. Keep going along the fence line.
Do feel the wings the ailerons still feel a little bit twitchy. Probably add a bit more expo or put a bit more, drop the throw down a bit.
Working it up.
I'll say this is my first mouldy maiden, and it's my first ever V-tail as well. I'm not going to keep it up there too long, to be honest.
Just keep an eye on those paragliders as they were coming back.
Now then, should I be negotiating these turns with ailerons or rudder? Let's have a look.
More efficient with rudder. You don't, but if you can get around, but as it's a flat wing,
getting a bit slow.
The rudder will do just skid it round.
Yeah, I was going to say it's getting a bit slow.
Yeah, but the closer you get your height back,
That's it. That's what Charlie mentioned. If ever you lose lift, come back to the fence.
Come back to the fence. Yeah.
Oh, this feels so different to the Lightning. All the little swifts all zooming around it. What you reckon about there, yeah?
What's that?
About their distance out from the fence.
Yeah, so just keep tracking along here and you'll gradually get your height back.
I find there's a dead spot there normally. Do you find that?
Oh, well, it depends on the wind direction.
Yeah, I opted not for a motor. Obviously, it was all rigged and kitted to have a motor in it.
Yeah.
But I thought, you know what? I want to build up my skill by not having to use the motor. And when you haven't got a motor, you have to fly it like that. Did you get this month's RCME?
Yeah.
I only managed to pick it up today.
Did you? Oh, yeah.
I text Dan. I was like, dude, you got the title page on it. There's a picture of one of yours being launched as well, isn't there, by Simon?
That's my F25. My monster sailboat.
It is, yeah, it is a bit of a lump.
Well, the only way to talk to Right, I think you cracked that.
Just worried about the land, obviously, because I don't think I'm going to be able to. I reckon just work up enough altitude and then go back over to land.
If you start walking your way back up the slope,
Yeah.
the Caravan coming up now.
Right. That wind's dropped.
They flying over the fence,
That wind's really dropped off, isn't it?
and you'll have enough height there for landing then. The canopy's up there now. So.
Whereabouts is he? Oh, I'm going to go straight into the sun there. Right.
Walking back, yeah, you keep walking back up the hill. And then
Where's that canopy at, Eric? You're right, he's still where he is.
you walking back and you go back and land.
Would you reckon land normally like we do, or shall I land
Go
sideways?
around the back, and you've got enough height there now.
Hold on. Let's get. It's right, that chute's putting me right out of kimber.
Alright, so you've got them, you can now go around the circle and land. You've got enough height there. You go around so you can land it from there.
Let's get up here level with everyone. What side do you reckon I should hook round?
You can go around either way, you can go around the left.
I still don't
Yeah,
feel.
you're all clear over there.
I don't feel like I've got enough momentum to swing it round. That's the only thing.
Yeah, you're okay.
Let's just do a couple more, just to get it back up.
That's it. So if you dive down, get some speed to take you downwind.
Right, landing!
Right.
Oh, I'm going to stall that on the turn.
You're alright, you're alright. I think you got it, lovely.
Thank you, Eric. Yeah, cheers, Eric.
Okay, right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Whew. Oh, excellent, it flies. Oh, that was a nervy maiden. Thanks for watching, guys.